Hello everyone. Today we will study about the boiler mountings. So the some of the boiler mountings are given here that pressure gauge, fusible plug, steam stop wall, feed check wall, block cock, mud and manholes. And also there are water level indicators is also there. There are safety walls are also there that are not included here. So we will see first the pressure gauges. The actually the function of the pressure gauge, as the name implies, it records the steam pressure at which the steam is generated in the boiler. Means at what rate is steam is generated, at what pressure the steam is generating in the boiler, which will be seen by the pressure gauges. The type of pressure gauge is the Bourdon tube type pressure gauge is used in this boiler accessory mountings. The one end of the tube, as we know that it is fixed and connected to the steam space in the boiler where steam is collected, and the other end is connected to the sector through the link. The basic diagram of the pressure gauge, that is Bourdon tube type, is given here. The Due to the pressure coming from the tube which is connected to the steam space, the link is expanded, and due to this the pressure is recorded. So second one is a fusible plug. So the basically the fusible plug operates when there is a less quantity of water, means when the quantity of water required is below the given limit, specific limit, then it a fusible plug operates, and it used to extinguish the fire. It is installed below the boiler's water level, and the function is likewise when the water level in the shell falls below the top of the plug, that the steam cannot keep it cool, and the fusible metal melts due to the overheating. Means the when the water level falls, then the steam heating is a continuous fire due to the furnace. Therefore this fusible plug metal melts due to the overheating, and due to this communicated to the firebox and extinguishes the fire which is burning in the furnace. Thus, due to this, the firebox which could burn up due to this heating can be avoided using the fusible plug. By removing the gunmetal plug and copper plug, the fusible plug can be put into position again by inserting the fusible metal, usually lead or metal alloy. So the basic diagram given here, the fusible plug having lead or metal alloy and other things are there. So next we will see the steam stop valve, means to regulate the steam which is supplying to the turbine, the steam stop valve uses. The valve is a device that regulates the flow of the fluid. Simple definition of the valve is given: by opening or closing or partially operating at various passageways. Here we are using the steam. So to shut off and regulate the flow of the steam from the boiler to the steam pipe, or steam from the steam pipe to the engine. Engine means in generally it is a turbine. So the to regulate the flow of the steam from steam boiler to the up to the steam turbine, the steam stop valve uses. So this is the basic diagram where ball type steam stop valve is used. You can use it fully open, partially open, or fully closed as per the requirement of the working of the turbine. So next one is the feed check valve. To allow the feed water to pass into the boiler, means for water feeding this valve is uses. Means if the required water present in the boiler is above the desired level, then we can stop the feed check valve, and to prevent the backflow of the water from the boiler in the event of the failure of the feed pump. Means if it is also used for the second purpose, if there is a failure of the feed pump, so there should not be backflow of the water from the boiler to the our sump. So therefore also the feed check valve also used there. Means in short we can say that it is a one way flow valve. Next one is a blow off cock. So to drain out the water from the boiler for internal cleaning, inspection and other purposes. So as we know that every plant, every component required the cleaning and maintenance after the some span of time, uh, after regular span of time. So for this purpose, if we require to maintain or the boiler or to clean the boiler, we required to evacuate the water from the boiler totally. So therefore it is blow called cock is provided there for the extracting the water totally from the boiler, so that we can inspect and clean the boiler from the inside. Also one of the holes are there for cleaning and maintaining purpose, we have to for inspection also. So mud and manhole to allow the man to enter into the boiler for inspection and repair. Means if you required to inspect or repair the boiler from the inside, the man or the worker should go inside. So therefore for going purpose, for the entering purpose of the worker, there is a manhole is provided, and mud hole also are provided when the muds or any impurities which is collected at the bottom of the boiler, then that impurities is removed with the help of mud holes. And beside this, there is also the water level indicator, which indicates the how much water is present in the particular boiler which we required. Again also there is a safety walls are also there, which if the steam execute above the required or design pressure, the steam yeah, safety walls releases the steam in the environment, so that we can recover, or we can, there will not be the any damage due to the steam. Thank you.